Let's talk about heat treatment of metals. Property enhancing operations are performed to improve mechanical or physical properties of work material. Actually, they do not alter part geometry, at least not intentionally. The most important property enhancing operations are heat treatments. Heat treatments involves various heating and cooling procedures performed to effect microstructural changes in a material, which in turn affect its mechanical properties. Its most common applications are on metals. Similar treatments are performed on glass ceramics, tempered glass, and powder materials and ceramics. Heat treatment operations can be performed on a metallic work part at various times during its manufacturing sequence. In some cases, the treatment is applied before shaping. In other cases, heat treatment is used to relieve the effects of strain hardening that occur during forming, so that the material can be subjected to further deformation. Heat treatment can also be accomplished at or near the end of the sequence to achieve the final strength and hardness required in the finished product. The principal heat treatments are annealing, martensite formation in steel, precipitation hardening, and surface hardening. And thank you for being with me.